Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. Today I just got in my new Young Nails nail dust collector. I have been waiting forever for this to come in and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and then we're gonna test it out and see how it is. I have my older one. This is, I'll put the review I did on this when I unboxed it up in the corner there for you. I've had this for a while. It works fine. I just wanted something easier to use and hopefully not quite as loud if possible. So I'll plug them both in and I'll test them side by side so you can see. So let's go ahead and get this one open. Comes in a nice box with a handle. I save boxes for everything. My mom teases me all the time because like my storage unit is like my TV boxes and my, you know, boxes for all these things I have. Okay, so in the little box, we've got the power cord, smaller than the other one, which is kind of nice. I hate when power cords take up so much space. So you're like using a, you know, multi-outlet like surge protector or something, and the cords just take up like 2 or 3 spaces. It's really irritating. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just plug this in real quick. Open it up. Like this one, look how big that one is. That's for the Amazon one. Okay. All right, here we go. You guys, I've been waiting forever for them to come out with this. Oh, so pretty. So the features I'm super excited about are that this top that holds the filter under is magnetic. So you literally just pull it. Oh, it's taped. Taped for shipping. Let's try that again, right? See how it just like snapped right back into place? The magnets pulled it into place. I'm gonna have to goo off that. You just pull this off and you lift the filter out to then go ahead and clean it. I just like bang it on a trash can or whatever. And this one works similarly, but what I don't like about it is that when, you know, you've been doing someone's nails, sometimes there's like piles, like you can see where the majority of this file dust is in there, I hope. And you can kind of see that it's all piled. Sometimes it actually is piled up. This was just from a fill that I did on my mom last night. But sometimes it's actually piled up over the grate or into the middle of the little grate pieces. So when you pull it out, it can kind of fall everywhere. And I don't like that because it comes out this way. So this will be just a little bit easier in that respect. So it's very lightweight, probably a little bit lighter than this one is actually. So yeah, so that top just comes off. Again, it's magnetic, so it'll just pop back in. The filter lifts out and it's a nice big size. I saw them demo this when it first came out. It's got some safety features, so unless this and the magnetic piece are in, you can't turn it on. So just a safety feature as far as that fan is concerned, because it could probably do a little damage to your finger, I would imagine. Okay, let's see. So here's where the plug goes in, only with this one. And then it has a cool on and off, just a push button, and it actually lights up blue when you turn it on. So let's give it a whirl and see. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And then I'll turn this one on for you just so you can have sort of a comparison. Definitely louder. I mean, the sound isn't awful, but in the context of doing nails, obviously, if you're chatting with your client, you don't want it to be like shouting at each other, especially if you're in a salon with multiple other nail techs or hairstylists or whatever. So again, this one, yeah, not quite as loud. It's got a nice mellow sound, so it's not awful. All right. So I'm actually going to go ahead and grab my e-file and we'll give it a little test run here. Okay, so grab my e-file. little test around here. So I'm gonna put on my safety. This is at home, so I just keep all my stuff here while I'm home. Haven't been anywhere. All right, so I'm going to turn this up, probably about 14, and we'll give this a try. So I'm going to do one from the top, and then I'll move the camera and do it from the side so you can see that as well. Yeah, and it's pulling it right down in there. I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera angle real quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, having a hard time getting it to focus, so hopefully this will be a little bit better and you'll be able to see it. Fingers crossed. You can see here where all this blue little bit has been pulled in already. I'll just do it opposite. See, so you can see when it comes off, it goes straight down. So nothing is coming up towards my face, all going straight down. So really good section, I like it. So you can see it pull. Just cleared gel on under here, so I'm trying to keep it, get the blue so you can see it a little better. Okay, so, sorry, let me take this off my little holder. So you can see here where all of that dust has been pulled onto the collector. And so instead of going in my face and in my lungs, so I really like this unit. I'm really excited to use it, and it's very sleek. I like that it's a little bit larger as well. I know some people were like, oh, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but you know, it's just easier. You can move around and not have to worry about staying kind of in this real small space. Like if I'm working on multiple fingers, you know, you can use all this space, but this way I've got plenty of space to work on someone's hand. So definitely a thumbs up, and it's very pretty and sleek and a nice design. So those are all little perks. I love the glowy blue light. And again, the thing I really love about it is this magnetic top, which just, I mean, one hand, just pop it right off and you can pull that out. They do sell the filters, replacement filters. This filter will last, depending on how much you use it. If you're using it like full time, you know, you've got probably 3 to 6 months, just depending on how much, again, you're using it. But then you can go ahead and replace the filter, but you basically just tap them out over the trash can to get that dust out, and then you can just keep using it. So definitely a good purchase. Once again, from Young Nails. Totally love them. So Greg and Habib, thumbs up. No color anymore, but thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you have not already, please do subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. You can hit that bell for notifications, and it will let you know when new videos are posted. As well, please give us a thumbs up. YouTube likes it when videos get the like thumbs up, so please do that for us. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, go ahead and hit me up down in the comments below, and swing on over to Instagram when you have a chance. Follow me there, the Maniac, and we will check you next time. Have a great day.